Hi everyone, my name is Saurabh Asif Chaudhary. Today date is 26th October 2021 and today's topic name is exception handling in Java. In this topic we will discussing about what is the exception handling, how to use exception handling and features of the exception handling. Let's start. What is the exception handling in Java? In Java, exception handling is a powerful mechanism which is used to handle the runtime error to maintain the normal flow of the application. In exception handling, used to handle the exceptions like IO exception, runtime exception, SQL exception, remote exception, etc. Let's discuss the advantage of the exception handling. Exception handling is used to maintain the normal flow of the application. If any exception will be occur, then this exception will be disturb the normal flow of the application. To avoid this, we can use the exception handling to maintain the flow of the normal flow of the application. Let's discuss the scenario. In Java program, there are 10 statements. In fifth statement, exception will be occur. Then, if we run this program, then till statement 5, all the statement will be executed, and due to exception in the fifth statement, the error will be occur, and from the statement fifth, next statement will be not executed. So we want this normal flow, then we will use the exception handling on the fifth statement, and from this we can execute all the statement in the program. So let's discuss the different types of the exception. In throwable there are two types. First one is exception and second one is error. In exception there are IO exception, SQL exception, runtime exception, and in runtime exception there are arithmetic exception, array index out of bound exception, and in error there are out of memory error, and other error also. So let's discuss the keywords which is used to handle the exception. In Java will be provide 5 keywords to handle the exception. In this 5 keyword, first keyword is try keyword, then catch block, then finally keyword, then throw keyword, and then throws keyword. We can discuss these keywords one by one. Let's discuss first keyword. First keyword is try keyword. Try keyword is used to write the exception block, which we think the exception will be occur in this block. This code will be in write in the try keyword. Then we try keyword will not be alone. It will be with catch block or with final block. Next one is catch block. Block is used to handle the exception. If any exception will be occur in the try block, then this exception is handled in the catch block, and we can write the code in the catch block to handle the exception. And then next keyword is final keyword. Final keyword is used to we want to execute the code. If the exception will be handled or not, in both cases we want to execute this code, then we will be use final keyword. In final, by using final keyword we can execute the code inside the finally block with exception will be handled or not in both cases. Then throw keyword is used to throws the exception, and next keyword is throws keyword is execute the exception. It will not the throws exception, and it will maintained in the signature of the in method signature. This all the keyword are used to handle the exception, and this all the information about the exception handling in Java. Thank you.